When you are cruising to Alaska, one of the things that you want to do when you pack your clothes, you definitely want to pack layers and you want to have warm clothing. Even when you walk around on a ship, you don't want to get on here wearing shorts and, you want to wear leggings and sweatpants and jeans and long pants and sweaters and sweatshirts. See, I got my Veronica yellow sweatshirt on. Yeah, you want to wear shirts. You want to have hats, gloves, rain boots, poncho, rain jacket, umbrellas, your gloves. You want to be nice and warm, okay? Because it is beautiful and you don't want the rain to stop you. You don't want it being too cold, so you want to get out there. You want to pack right. You want to pack well and be ready, okay? Love from Alaska. Do y'all see that mountain, the water just coming down the mountain, falling into the water? I love it. And I would definitely have headwear. See, I have my hat on under here that comes with this. And I put on another hat on top. So I am dressed in layers. And that's what you have to do. Dress in layers. Because as soon as you put this hat on, you are extra, extra warm. So don't forget to layer up even with your hat, okay?